Okay, I'm about to go in a room that no mother ever wants to go in. My son's room. Hey everyone, it's the Crafty Queen here. I came up with a few projects for my son's room. He's 13 years old now, and it's time to put away the Power Rangers and the Ninja Turtles and to move on to something else. So he's a video game kid. That's going to be my theme. I'm not going to touch anything else in his room. You know, he likes everything in a particular way, and that's fine. But decorating his walls, that's my jam. So I'm going to go with the video game theme, and so far I came up with a few projects. The one you're about to see now is a Pac-Man wall decal, and I think you're going to love it. I had so much fun making this, so stay tuned.
You're going to need 2 styrofoam circles, a packet of googly eyes, and some construction paper. The main colors you're going to need with the construction paper is light blue, red, orange, and pink for the ghosts. Now I'm going to paint my Pac-Man with this leftover yellow paint that I had from painting my door a few years ago, but you really don't need this much paint. You can go to Walmart and get this small bottle of acrylic paint for only 50 cents. Draw out Pac-Man's mouth and then go ahead and cut it out. A tip for painting, you could use a toothpick to hold Pac-Man still as you paint the edges of it yellow so you don't get so much paint on your hands. I dried my Pac-Man off with a blow dryer, and there you go. He's pretty much done. Now let's go ahead and get started on the girl Pac-Man. We're going to use this red construction paper and cut out a bow and some lips for her face. Now I'm about to use this black paint and make her eyes, and of course we cannot forget her signature mole. Okay, Mrs. Pac-Man, I see you, girl. Now I'm cutting out the red ghost, Blinky Blinky. Don't ask me why I know his name. And I'm going to glue 2 of the big googly eyes to his face. And then repeat the same thing with the other ghosts. Save some of the eyes for later. You're going to paint those black and you're going to use those as the large power pellets for Pac-Man to power up with. At my Dollar Tree, I managed to find these sticky dots, and unfortunately I painted them before I was able to show you what they look like. And these made the job so much easier to stick the pellets to the wall. However, if you cannot find these dots, then you can use the remaining googly eyes that you have and get some tape, wrap it around some cardboard with the sticky side up, and you can tape the googly eyes to it and spray paint it that way, and then use those as your pellets. And then I taped Mr. and Mrs. Pac-Man to the wall and all the ghosts and all the pellets, and that was it. I was all done. I really had a good time with this project, especially being that I only spent about $4 or $5 on it, if that, plus some leftover paint that I used. I hope you guys enjoyed it watching, and thank you again. Go ahead and subscribe if you want more from the Crafty Queen, and bye.